How to export emails from Zoho Mail. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Zoho Mail website. After you're in the website, log into your Zoho Mail account first. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of web interface. Now, in order to export emails, you need to go to the settings first. Here in this home screen, at the top left corner, you can see the three lines icon. Tap on it. Now select the settings icon right beside the folders option. Once you are in the settings menu, scroll down to the bottom and over here you can see this import export emails option. Tap on it. If you cannot see the web page properly, you can turn on the desktop site mode. After you are in this import export emails page, you can see this export as email option. Tap on it. Now from here you can export your emails. You need to select the folder from where you want to export the emails. You can select whether it is inbox folder, snooze, sent, or any folder that you want. And right below that, you can select the export date. You can select the time frame of the emails that you want to export. Once you select everything, you can tap on this export as email button. The export email is processing. It might take few times. Once it completes the process, you will be successfully exporting emails from Zoho Mail account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.